It's about 2 o'clock, Friday, January 9th, 2020 at Bluebird Gardens. This is Charlotte. And look who I find visiting one of my bird feeders. I have cracked corn in there, so they're looking for the protein that's in the corn. It's 62 degrees outside, so they don't have anything else to do. Nothing else is blooming. So this is where I can usually find them looking for food. And in this case, they're looking for protein because that's what they feed their baby bees, the ones that are just hatching. Closing this time of year. Queen bees should be laying because the temperatures are warmer and the daylight is getting longer. The concern with that is that once the temperatures drop, the bees will have to protect the brood, and if they have to choose between eating and protecting the brood, they'll protect the brood and they may die. On the other hand, if the weather continues to be relatively mild, we will have an early spring and an early buildup of the hive numbers. I wonder what the birds think of these little visitors when they come and land. See the one in the window?